If the outside of your dryer vent looks like this, then it is way past time to get your dryer vent cleaned. Dryer vent cleaning is often overlooked because it's one of those things that people just don't see. However, every time they use their dryer, they typically clean the lint trap or the lint filter. And as we've all seen, stuff gets past the lint filter. As you can see in these videos, lots and lots and lots of stuff gets past the lint filter. The dryer vent should be cleaned annually, and when they are not cleaned regularly, obviously you have a lot of buildup, which can cause some serious problems. Again, dryer vents should be cleaned annually, and you need to have that scheduled as soon as possible. One way you can check to see if yours is past needing due is if you've never had it done, if you don't know when it was done, or if you see any kind of lint or debris outside your house near the dryer vent. Now, if it's on the first or second story, then sometimes it blows around a little bit. But as you can see from our first picture, you can easily see it clogged up. Schedule your dryer vent cleaning today.